Hey everyone, let's see, what can I say here? Engine's making a funny noise. I don't know exactly what it is. I'm thinking it might be maybe the piston gouging in the cylinder here or something. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to try and duplicate the sound for you guys, and maybe someone can give me a pointer on what they think. Otherwise, I'm going to just drain the oil and look for some metal bits, and then maybe if I don't see nothing there, then I'll pull the cylinder head off and take a look. Trying to avoid all that, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to. Here goes, here goes.